In the previous episodes, we talked about the importance of our vibration and emotions. As you know, everything is energy. Our behavior, thoughts, and feelings have powerful energy. They are so powerful that they can cause physical changes and results without even realizing it. For example, imagine a lemon, cut it in your mind and squeeze it. At the same time as I say these words, your mouth is watering more. Even without seeing this lemon up close, your body reacts. Or when you want to catch your flight but you're late and you're in a hurry to get there on time, stress takes over your being and your stomach enzymes increase. You may also get a stomach ache. Our body has a completely interdependent system. Our thoughts and feelings affect our body. We think, feel, and make decisions with our whole body. Everything is interdependent. Just as our thoughts and feelings can involuntarily produce saliva or stomach acid, they have the ability to change the situation in a way that you like. They are so powerful that they are able to fulfill your wishes and desires. Of course, if you want to. Our body works like a professional system, which itself is a part of a much bigger system that works to achieve their goals. We are like a drop of the endless ocean in the universe. It is enough that your thoughts and feelings align with your desires. After that, the world around you will change. Aligning with your desires takes a little practice. You have to work hard to get to the point where you can control your mind. Our mind is like a mischievous monkey that jumps from one branch to another every moment. One moment is in the past and the next is in the future. Sometimes it is timid, sometimes it is brave. Sometimes it is positive and sometimes negative. It is enough to let go of the reins for a few minutes. Suddenly you see that you have reached a place where you cannot even find the starting point. In these few minutes, you may suddenly regret the work you are eager to do or think that you will not be able to handle it. On the other hand, you may think of positive things and drown in your dreams and fantasies. It is very good that sometimes we think about our dreams and imagine them and somehow create them in an imaginary world, and there a good time passes and a smile comes to our lips. But this dreaming should also happen in a controlled manner. On the other hand, you should not look at it only as a dream or an impossible and unattainable wish. Sometimes we are so engrossed in dreams that we forget to enjoy the present moment. We must learn to put this mischievous monkey in its place. Not by force to lock him in a cage or tie his hands and feet so that he doesn't run away, but he should feel that he is free. After that he will be crowned king and whatever he wants will be fulfilled. But what does this mean? Our mind consists of three parts: conscious, unconscious, and the border between the two. Our ethics, logic, and behavior form the conscious part of our mind. A large part of the mind is our unconscious. The unconscious part is like a reservoir of our information, memories, habits, beliefs, and feelings. Involuntarily, we take the necessary information from the reservoir to do any work. In fact, everything we have stored in this tank affects all our work. We are the ones who prevent us from achieving our dreams. If we want to get closer to our goals, the first step is to work on the contents of this tank and change them in line with our goals. So for this change, we have to reprogram our subconscious mind. But why? In order to achieve success, your thoughts and actions must be in balance. But this scale is not 50-50. The role of thoughts and feelings is much more than what you do. Your thoughts, feelings, motivation, and attitude form the most important part of your success. When your attitude changes, the realities of your life disappear and new attitudes become the reality of your life. Memories have formed in your mind since childhood. The words and behavior of others, your mistakes, and the experiences of your close ones have created realities in your mind. All these events are archived in your subconscious mind and become the reality of your life. 99% of your success depends on changing these beliefs. The effect of actions on success is only 1%. But many powerful people don't want you to know this truth because new competitors are emerging in every field. If we were to achieve our goals only by working hard, why don't the employees who work long shifts and have few vacations and work for others all their lives achieve their dreams? Even at the time of retirement, they do not have enough savings. Some of them are pleased with these conditions and consider themselves to be satisfied people. But it is not. Because they look at their wishes as impossible and unattainable dreams and know that they cannot achieve them, they accept the current conditions. All this comes from the limiting beliefs that have been formed in our subconscious mind. By changing these beliefs, you will get where you want and it will happen. This does not mean that you sit at home and only work on your thoughts and let Santa Claus bring your wishes. But by changing your beliefs, new doors will open to you in line with your desires. Our goal is to reach a stage where success comes to us every moment without even realizing it. Just like our body that it could produce saliva or stomach acid without us knowing. The starting point can be penetrating the border between our conscious and unconscious minds, for which I will suggest different techniques. But before that, the basic topics that we talked about in this session and the next sessions should be completely understood by you. Because our success depends on changing our limiting beliefs. If you want things to change in your life, you have to make these changes yourself. You are the only one who can make your dreams come true. I hope I was able to make a splash in your mind. Thank you for watching this video. I love you all. Until the next video.